complete seismic, wind analysis, uh, and designing of beam, column, designing of shear wall, advanced concreting, and the normal concreting design, sir.
Okay, that's nice. Okay, and what is the steps for seismic analysis in StatPro?
Sir, first of all, in the we have to do in a initial step we have to do the modeling and applying the beam and column load. After that, we have to go on and apply the support in the minimum. It's the initial level of the step, and we are talking to about directly to seismic. Then go to the load and analysis. Then after that, we have to first choose the seismic, and on the top of the that particular interface you have to choose the Indian 1893 2004 5 something else and generate. Then left side you have to see the interfaces of like city zone. You have to choose either city or zone, and secondly city and zone city and zone. After that, on the blue, we choose ordinary SMRF or OMRF. We choose SMRF for a special moment registering design. Then we choose medium soil. ठीक है, according to what we offer, what we know about the soil quality, soil bearing capacity, you can say that we choosing, let us suppose we have an data of medium soil, then we choose medium soil. After that we have to choose the damp ratio 0.05%. We take the damp ratio. You can directly apply 5%, but somewhere I have taking I learned from my master कि we have to apply 0.05%. It is quite easy for a software, and then okay. After that, we choose for the self load 1 in a positive, because it's a seismic, it's a definition, so we choose only 1 for self load. After that we have a normal floor load, like a brick load, parapet wall load, or 0.230 mm wall load, and 0.115 mm wall load. When we apply all these things, so we choose the floor load from according to the height of the building, about the you can say the complete dead load of a floor load and 50% of the live load. After that we choose on the second moment we choose load cases detail. Load cases detail, when we after that we choose first we choose seismic, and after that we enter the EQ positive X, EQ negative X, EQ positive Z, EQ negative minus Z. In all these things, first we have to choose four things. After that, dead and live load we can choose, and for the then again we choose EQ positive X. Go to on the particular first point, then add, and then again go to the seismic, then give the positive X, go to the seismic zone and choose positive 1 and add. And similarly we do the same thing for the positive one, for a negative direction for the negative direction. Then after that we choose dead load and live load. We already added that. Then go to the dead load. We choose similarly when we add whatever we adding on the top of the interface in the beginning, and then same the live load. Apply all these things. Then
That's it.
after all these things,
That means you know the basics. Okay, okay, and like how many lectures you watch in StatPro?
sir, honestly 40, sir, because don't get a time to plan about, we are very busy to complete the project, sir, for planning, elevation, designing, and sir lot of time, and we apply a lot of shear wall on my building, so it take a 1 hour to analyze. So sir, it's
How
a very
many
hectic.
how
7
much
days.
how much percentage of major project you complete? Means 50%,
Sir,
80%?
I completed. It's only left the RCC detailing. I send you today in the approximately 5 to 6 o'clock, and I hope you maybe you can see.
No, not
And
now. Actually, I'll just I'm not say it, but tomorrow I'll see that how much you complete that. Okay.
yes, sir. Sir,
Okay.
zero error. I shared the picture also. Zero share, but zero error. But it having only about 86. Uh, क्या बोलते हैं उसको warning, sir. 86 warning I got. And sir, I felt that ki having some warning, because in the plinth level I just give the height of 1.6 meter. That's why it's give the error. If I choose 2.5 meter at least according to IS 456, then the error will automatically remove.
Very
But
good.
sir, when we try to complete on a second option by deleting the shear wall, but it taking giving a lot of error, so it take a lot of time, sir. But initially I just choose with the zero error, and I'm just continuing all these things. Yes, sir.
Very nice. Okay. Thank you so much, Prashant. This was nice to talk with you.
And sir, one more thing, I'm
Yeah.
getting a call from LKT engineering consultancy from consultant from which is located in Delhi Tilak Nagar, and
Very
they are
nice.
asking for the interview. I'm just quite happy, but I told him ki, dear ma'am, just please give me the give me few months to complete to learn more about the structures. So if you have any possibility, I will come for the interview, or if I have any joining. So I reply politely. So she told me ki, okay, let's see. But they are very interested to take an interview of me, because
I,
I'm
I,
gonna yes.
I think you need to go there because your training is going on, right? So it is in evenings, so you can be go there and easily you can cover both. So better if you got the opportunity, just go ahead. If you want to prepare more, you can take 1 week. Okay, but go there. Okay, because if you're not going there, so definitely they are going to fill someone else, and that means you're going to lose your opportunities. Okay, so just
Yes, sir.
think.
It is quite little far from my house, sir. So I just want to be just अब आपने like सर मुझे बार बार ये चांस नहीं मिलेगा कि मैं आपसे मैं सीख पाऊँ. मैंने उन्हें कहा भी कि मैं अपने मेंटर को लूज नहीं कर सकता, क्योंकि ये टाइम मुझे बार बार नहीं मिलेगा मैम. मैं अगर ज्वाइन कर लूंगा तो मैं उसी लूप में सर्कल में रोटेट करने लगूंगा. सो आप मुझे थोड़ा टाइम दीजिए. मैं चाहता हूँ मैं कंपनी को के लिए मैं कंप्लीट पैकेज बनूं, जहां मैं कहीं पर भी सर्व करूं तो कंप्लीट. तो उन्होंने बोला कि पॉजिटिवली बोला कि ठीक है, कोई दिक्कत नहीं है, यू कैन कंप्लीट इट. देन अगर होगा तो आप मुझे पूछिएगा.
Very good. चलेगा. Okay, good. Thank you, Sir Prashant. Now, Mr. Pawan.
Ah,
Yeah, Pawan. Pawan,
sir.
ready?
Sir,
Mr.
ready, sir.
Mr. Pawan, you're going somewhere?
No, sir, I'm actually in the house, but there is some network problem. But
Oh,
I already opened the video, but it is not coming, I think.
oh, no, sure. I thought you're going somewhere. That's why you said ki you just want ki I'll take your mock before
Sir, I
10 minutes.
will be going in some 10 minutes or 30 minutes.
Okay.
I am actually ending my internship in that company that I have already joined in.
Oh,
So I
got it.
am going
Got it.
there to resume my
How
certificate.
many lectures you was in Stat Pro?
41, sir.
40. Good.
41.
And how much you complete your major project?
Sir, almost all it is done, sir. Only detailing of shear wall is left.
Very good.
That I will complete by.
Oh, that's nice. Okay, now Mr. Pawan, you right now you're going to prepare like right now you're preparing for the structure engineering interview, right? As a structure
Yes, sir.
engineers, what are the things you need to know? Means that is skills you
As a
required.
structural
As example, IS code. Anything else?
as a structural engineer, the job itself has a huge responsibility because somebody is investing a lot of money into the uh, building a dream project of their life. So it is a very responsible life. So the skills that we need are of structural analysis, designing and detailing of the structure so that the structure withstand all the forces coming onto it. So the basic
Okay.
skills like stat pro, etabs and safe and all this is uh, softwares helps us to design and analyze the building as soon as possible, as quickly as possible, rather than going through a manual design. As I have seen that I have taken that subject matrix method of analysis, in which I have realized that doing an analysis of simple frame takes almost 2 to 3 pages of calculation by even slope deflection method or Kani's method or anything. So these are the softwares help us to do our works very easily, and requirement of knowing the knowledge like code books and some of the textbooks helps us to design structures in a very easy way and to understand the structures, and knowledge of foreign codes will can help us to get the clients and solve their issues even from abroad projects.
Excellent. What should hire you? We hire you, Mr. Pawan.
The main reason why you can hire me is I am very keen to learn as I am a fresher, and I am looking forward for an opportunity that gives me a huge exposure onto the most complicated projects, and I look onto the work culture in which I can grow and nourish my knowledge, so I can work for your organization for the betterment and more energetic way.
Okay. What is shear force, Mr. Pawan?
The force which is acting parallel to the cross section of a member is called as shear force.
What's your goal?
Uh, my short-term goal is to acquire a knowledge about the structure and to get an opportunity or an entry into the structures jobs. And my long-term journey or an goals is to uh, complete more of complex projects, and in which gives me a huge confidence into the structures,
Very
and
nice.
to be part of those projects that are realistic
Okay.
and real time life.
What's your goal? Goal.
That one.
Oh,
My
that
goal
that
is
is
to
yes.
long term and short term goal on this.
Okay, got it. Okay, now Mr. Pawan, right now you're in the software Stat Pro. Uh, what are the different types of shear wall we can design in Stat Pro?
Shear wall, core type of shear wall, and a rectangular shear wall, and column shear wall, column chart, the column supported shear wall, I think so.
Okay,
And bracing shear wall, I don't think it is possible.
yes, it is possible in Stat in ETAPS. Okay, in ETAPS you can do even like by the matrix you can do the in Stat Pro also. I think, but result is not that much better. ओके,
Yes.
थैंक यू सो मच पवन, वेरी गुड, कीप कंटिन्यू, काफ़ी अच्छा मॉक दे रहे हैं आप, और होपफुली आपका कम्युनिकेशन बहुत अच्छा इंप्रूव हो रहा है, जैसे भी हो रहा है अच्छा कर रहे हो, ठीक है, वेरी नाइस।
Yes.
ओके गाइस, प्रशांत ने भी बहुत अच्छा इंटरव्यू दिया एंड पवन ने भी बहुत, इन दोनों का मॉक तो काफ़ी पॉजिटिव है। लेट्स सी विद विष्णु एंड हु इज नेक्स्ट रेडी आफ्टर विष्णु, काइंडली ड्रॉप द मैसेज सो दैट कि आपके सुविधा अनुसार आपका मॉक हो सके। ओके, हाउ आर यू मिस्टर विष्णु?
Fine, sir.
ओके, introduce yourself in short.
Yes. Yeah. Okay. Hello, everyone. First of all, thanks for giving this opportunity. I am very keen to see the structural analysis with a matrix analysis of a structure and Canis method and like mm, in static indeterminacy calculation of that it is structure is stable or not, frame analysis like that. I learned so much in Stat Pro. I also observed that mm, okay, I am very tech savvy candidate in my last organization. I worked as a building engineer and some design engineer, has some projects like a Nadu Nedu, like small typical projects only. Um, I will very happy about while designing the structure. It will gives a more conceptual knowledge increasing in this way. Um,
Okay, now Mr. Vishnu, why you want to become a structure engineer?
Sir, I want to see my career in structural engineering, sir. Why? Because I was very happy about while designing the structure in software like modeling, load analysis, and giving a result how to resolve that warnings like that.
Okay.
Uh,
What's your selling expectations, Mr. Vishnu?
as per industrial norms.
Okay, and right now you're learning this. Right now you are a site engineer, right? So how you're right now you're working as a site engineer? No,
No,
not.
sir.
Okay, you left that.
Assistant manager in procurement, sir.
Assistant manager. Okay. How
Achha.
your current experience is useful for us in the structure engineering field?
Like yeah, in procurement
I think network issue हो गया guys इनको. Hello.
मेरे को अच्छे से दिख रहा है.
Yes, yes. Now it's okay.
Okay, my knowledge is in a site as well as a procurement and billing. In structure, while I am seeing the lot of errors while giving a estimation and DPR submission, uh, I seen a lot of bugs in that. Uh,
Okay.
while always it will be the structure will be a revision many times.
Hmm.
Uh, so I want to first taking the total data from the as per a site, and I want to know the structure is a suitable for a as per a site uh, location or not. And I will very deeply analysis how structure will be placed, how many problems it will come. I can easily identify those things. Um, uh, and as per my knowledge, I can procure the materials which is a best price nearby the construction site. Um, like this.
Okay. Try to
I
use some
know
more
some market
technical.
standards.
Just try to use like technical word only. Material
Okay,
and these are the not that much important for the structure engineer. Okay.
okay, okay,
Okay.
sir.
And how many lectures you completed in Strat Pro?
45, sir. I completed
Oh,
total.
that's nice. Excellent.
Mm.
Tomorrow just send me the Excel sheet of the 45 lectures. Okay.
Okay, sir. Okay.
Okay. Okay. And a major project, how much you completed?
It's almost 60% है सर.
Oh,
RCDC में ओपन किया तो OEM एरर आ रहे हैं सर.
okay. Cool. Stat Pro का काम हो गया ना?
स्टार्ट पर का हो गया.
Okay. I will see that tomorrow. That's nice. Actually आपने
Okay.
lecture कर लिया ये भी बहुत अच्छी बात है ठीक है?
Yes.
Okay. Very good. आपने time को सही से utilize किया. That's nice.
Thank you, sir.
Okay जी. Now next is Mr. Divyanshu Sharma.
Hello, good evening, sir.
Good evening जी. Now Mr. Divyanshu, how many lectures you was in Stat Pro?
Sir, only one left. Till 44 I was.
Oh, that's nice. And major project?
Sir, not started yet. Actually, I completed my earlier task, like Kadapa South project.
Hmm.
That's why.
Okay. Try to start. Okay. Because
Yes, sir.
so that you can finish at least in this week. Okay. Now, Mr.
Yes, sir.
Divyanshu, what are the technique? Like, what are the analysis you can do in Stat Pro?
Sir, as STAD stands for STAD Analysis and Design. It analyze and design concrete part as well as the steel part. We can do different type of analysis. Like if we, for an example, if we take an steel structure, for example, as we draw a tower, communication tower, so we can apply loads, supports, and after that, doing designing part, and after that we can analyze different results like failure of beam and column, how much if we are in steel project, then what size of steel column and beam is variable so that load can be taken.
Okay.
For concrete, we can design beam, column, footing. Slab design is not that much good in STAD. We do that in RCDC, but for footing, beam and column, we prefer STAD.
Okay. Types of beam and types of column.
So types, first for type of column, as per material, one is concrete, that is RCC, reinforced cement concrete, and one is of steel. And in steel, as per shape, like I shape, T shape, W shape, there are different size, C section. And in RCC, according to shape, circular column, rectangular column, and there are many more based on different types, like different sizes, for example, according to load.
Okay. Now, Mr. Divyanshu, right now you're just looking for the job in the structure engineer. So, what are the important IS codes is very important for the structure engineers?
Yes, sir. There are different types of code for different type of structure. Like for concrete structure, we use IS 875-2000. For steel structure, IS 800. There are three different subcategories. Like for IS 800 for building, IS 801 for electronics, and IS 802 electricity 801 and 802 for telecommunication, and IS 875 for wind analysis, and IS 1893-2000 for seismic analysis.
Okay. What's your shell experience, Mr. Divyanshu?
Sir, currently I am working as a BIM engineer at a package of 4 LPS. So after completing my designing course, I am expecting around 6 lakh, as I am now.
You can expect more than like approx 5.2. Okay,
Sir,
30%.
actually, sir, actually during this period, I developed designing skills, as well as in Revit software, I developed many skills. That's
That
why
is
I'm
all.
asking for
That
that.
is okay. That is all right. But company is going to be offer means you can be said to them, but approx they are going
Okay,
to
sir.
offer you that much 5.2.
Okay, actually, sir, 6 LPA, I am asking after I I am thinking of switching after April, after once I get
Appraisal.
increment in appraisal, so that after that I can may ask for
Yes,
that.
definitely. After your current salary, just expect more than that 30%. Okay.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay. Thank you so much, Divyanshu.
Thank you,
And
sir.
this one I stop with you. Okay. Now next is Brinjal, and after Brinjal we come with who's the Mayur, then Vagasri, then Jasmine. Brinjal ready?
Hello, sir.
Hello. Yes, Brinjal.
Yes.
Okay.
Good evening, sir.
Good evening. Brinjal, your in communication class is going on.
Yes, sir.
It is beneficial for you a little bit.
Yes, sir. Benefit. I feel I am little bit fear of talking with a group of people.
Very nice. Okay. So Brinjal, first of all, introduce yourself.
Uh, Good evening, sir. First of all, thank you so much for giving me this opportunity. My name is Binjal Parmar. I am from Gujarat. I did my graduation in 2019 in civil engineering from Government Engineering College, Bharuch, with have a 3.5 years professional experience. And currently, I am pursuing uh, internship at a structure design at a unique civil company where I can learn where I can gain hands-on experience like AutoCAD, SCAD Pro, RCDC, ETABS, SAFE, it's and manual also, sir. And I enjoy in my free time like drawing, crafting, and sometimes dancing.
Okay.
Sorry
Now,
about
okay, got it. So, Brinjal, what are the things you know in AutoCAD?
that. Sir, we have 2D detailing, mostly using for 2D drafting.
Okay. Uh,
Yes.
what are the types of array in AutoCAD?
So basically three types of array: path, rectangular, and third is not remember, sir.
Okay. How many lectures you watch in Stat Pro?
45, sir.
Oh, that's nice. And just make tomorrow everyone just mention the Excel sheet of the 45 lectures. Okay. Not required
Yes,
anything
sir.
else. Just complete that. And major project, how much you completed?
Sir, 70% because in RCDC software we have put statro file, then column will fail, sir. Column
Okay.
was fail.
It is showing fail. And
Yes, sir.
you
Some column are fails.
okay, and you try to increase the sizes of the column,
Yes, sir.
but
Try.
it's still the
And,
same problem.
no, no, sir. Not still same problem, but I will size increase. I'm using G+4 building and beam column size applying 300 by 600. That time pass columns.
Okay. That is okay. Now means you can see the past result, and you can, when you just create the final drawings, just see the stateful result. From stateful result, you
Okay.
can just give that data only. Suppose in stateful that is showing in 300 by 440. So this is your final data 300 by 450. You can edit your RCDC file 600 columns. Just edit in the 450 only. Okay.
Okay, sir.
So according to that you can do. Okay. Tomorrow we will discuss on that.
Okay.
Now, so in StatPro, what are the different types of foundation we can design in StatPro?
Isolated footing, combined footing, and pile footing. Mat footing we are not using because of license issues.
Yes. Okay. And just tell us right step to complete the wind analysis in StatPro. Wind analysis in StatPro.
Okay. First of all, we have to using definition in a wind definition. Then after applying intensity, and then applying main building data, like using code. Uh, uh, Using code, and then applying height, width, depth of building, and categories, and then apply all the data. After then apply self weight 0.8% considered, and then the load case data. We have WL, wind load positive X, wind load negative X, wind load negative Z, wind load positive Z. We have that.
Okay, great. Okay. Thank you so much, Brinjal. Very good. Good improvement. Keep continue. Okay.
Thank you, sir.
Okay. Now next is Bhagasri and then Mayur. Bhagasri audible now? If you need time, you can drop the message. We'll see first Mayur, then we'll come with Bhagasri. Mayur ready?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Okay.
Good evening, sir.
Good energy. Mayur, introduce yourself.
My name is Mayur Bosle, and I am working as a junior engineer in a Sona Infra company, and, and also I am pursuing
Yes,
a
yes.
pursuing a M.Tech in structures in a second year.
Okay. And you're doing the internship also, right?
Yes, sir. And also, I am pursuing a internship in a Unix Civil. There are teaching as a software, CAD Pro, ETAP. That's it.
Okay. What is the use of StatPro software?
For modeling and analysis of the structure.
How many lectures you was in StatPro?
Sir, 44 lecture.
44. Okay, that's nice. And you can off your camera if light is there. And major project, how much you completed?
Sir, almost 50%.
50% you completed that. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Why you want to become a structure engineer, Mr. Mayur?
I want career in structure designing because I want to improve myself and always teaching learn new things in structure. So,
Okay.
sir.
What are the important IS code for the structure engineers?
IS 456, IS 800, IS 875. There are 5 parts: part 1, part 2, part 3.
Explain.
IS 1893.
Explain all the parts.
IS 875. Part 1 for dead load, part 2 for wind load, also called as imposed load, part 3 for wind load, part 4 for snow load, and also part 5 is special load and also load combinations.
Okay. What's
Yes.
your salary expectation, Mr. Mayur?
Actually, sir, I am a fresher in a designing field as a structure. So, as per industrial norms, I will accept.
Okay. What's your strength?
My strength is, sir, I am a quick learner I am passionate about designing field, and I am more work in more than 12 hour, 15 hour in designing field.
Okay, great. Thank you so much, Mayur. Mayur, just send me the Excel sheet of all the Stratford lectures. Okay, this is the only
Sure,
task,
sir.
and okay, and rest of time you can just work on your major project. Okay.
Yeah, sure, sir.
Okay. Thank you so much, Mayur. Now next is Mr. Sandeep is there. So Mr. Sandeep, ready for the mock? Mr. Sandeep, are you ready? Bhagsri, if you're ready, drop the message. I think
Good evening, sir.
good energy. After Bhagsri, we will come with Jayasri. So you should be ready, Jayasri. So Bhagsri, introduce yourself in short.
Good evening, sir. First
Good
of
evening.
all, thank you for giving me opportunity to introduce myself. I am Bhagyashree from Solapur, Maharashtra. I have completed my BTech in 2016. Then I have done my master's degree in 2022, and now doing internship in Unique Civil and learning softwares like AutoCAD, StatPro, ETAB, Revit, and
तुमने स्टेट इसका कम्युनिकेशन वाला बैच ज्वाइन किया है भागश्री?
no sir,
क्यों?
a time issue sir.
You doing job somewhere? Family issues.
Yes, family and मतलब consultancy का काम.
Okay, consultant. Due to that, you was busy in that, right? But I think
Yes
you
sir.
need to do Bhagyashree because you need the communication classes. Just saw the that Brinjal is improved good, na? So I think
Yes sir.
you should be try. Okay, in new batch maybe if that is available, so just try to enroll. Okay, you need to do the communication. Okay, uh, which IS code we use for earthquake analysis and how many seismic zone in India?
There are actually 5 zones, but zone 1 and 2 are combined. So only 4 zones are
Okay,
zone 2, 3, and 4.
okay, 2, 3, 4. Means only 3.
2, 3,
Hmm.
4, and 5.
What are the factors for the all zones?
Sorry, sir.
No idea. Okay. Uh, which IS code we use for wind analysis?
IS 875 part 4, I think.
Part 3. What is the basic wind speed of your area?
Sorry, sir.
How many lectures you was in StatPro?
42.
And major project, how much you completed?
Almost done.
Okay.
Submission drawing is remaining.
Okay. So just mention me tomorrow, okay? With your Excel sheet. Is it okay?
Yes, sir.
ओके बख्शिश थोड़ा सा वर्क करो, थोड़ा सा कम्युनिकेशन को और अच्छा करोगे ना तुम्हारा ही फायदा होगा, ठीक है? और
Sure.
ओवरऑल सही चले, बट तभी थोड़ा सा कॉन्फिडेंस ना, वो कॉन्फिडेंस क्यों नहीं आ रहा है? कम्युनिकेशन की वजह से नहीं आ रहा है ना, बोलते समय थोड़ा सा भी घबराहट लग रहा है कि नहीं तुमको ऐसा?
Yes, sir.
ठीक है, तो ये कैसे आएगा? जब अभी तुमने कम्युनिकेशन किया होता, रोज रोज बार बार इंट्रोडक्शन दिया होता तो मे भी वहां से आ जाता, बट कोई बात नहीं, अभी टाइम में कर सकते हो, ठीक है?
Okay, sir. Thank
ओके
you.
ओके जी। नाउ नेक्स्ट इज जयश्री।